Franson rolls it off into the corner. Taken away by Ennis. Franson finds McCabe. Franson doesn't shoot. Here's Ennis with a blast. That one got blocked at the defense. Cleared on into the corner, except out of the air. Now comes out in front.
That's when they can, but a big job here on the point. Cody Franson keeping this puck in, keeping it alive, which in turn the Sabres able to hang on to it for another 30 seconds in the offensive zone. On the same exchange, a shot block right here. Ryan Murray blocks this shot and he hurts his hand. He's gone to the bench.